Hey everybody, finally get a chance to make a quick video for you here. Work's kind of sort of slowing down a little bit. Um, Thought I'd show you a little like bypass kit I put together for use out in the field. I got a Sparrows Sherman case that I bought quite a while ago. I hope everybody can see this okay. I really need to get some better space here. Sorry about the vertigo there. Try to make it a little bit of extra space. Like right here in the front, I got a few like spare picks here. If you can see them. Um, this is just like I forget exactly what it's called, like a sparrows. We can go in like get their like single picks or their like little pick sets and like it's like their three hooks. I had like broken one or two a couple years ago when I first get back into picking. I think I got those as replacements. And these right here, I got, this is the SS Dev set. Sorry if that's out of frame. This is the SS Dev set in 25 thousandths. I keep in here just in case I need a little bit higher reach. And if I got some like paracentric keyways, these are the SS Devs also, but in the 15 thousandths, I believe. Yeah, 15 thousandths for like more paracentric keyways. Opened her up. I just over here I got like just a bunch of extra like turning tools. You never know when you might need an extra one or so. Um, Over here, let's see, take it out here. Now I really forget which one's which, but I have the Sparrows. One is the Abus bypass tool. The other one is the American Lock bypass tool. Like I said, I can't remember exactly which one's which. Um, but you can tell when you go to put them in lock, it'll like the Abus will fit in the Abus. And the American will fit in American. I really do need to mark it though. And this one I do know what it is because it's the Adams Right. Oh, the Adams Right bypass. Sorry about that if that hurt anybody's ear. My pen and trade is fell. That one's the Adams Right bypass tool. It's kind of easy to tell because it's got the longest hook on the end there. Um, I really need to get this stabilized a little better. Go down here, set my pen and tray back up that Bobby Keys made me. Let me just set that over here for a time being. I hate for it to be out of frame, but you know, everybody knows Bobby does great work. I like to show his work whenever I can. um, right here we have the Sparrows. I see I do have most of this stuff is Sparrow stuff. So I'm not paid by any of them. This is no means a review. It's just they do have some good stuff, and the prices you just can't beat. And this is like their little jiggler key set. Got the three of them here, and I got a couple the little handcuff shims right there. I hope this isn't washing out. My lighting isn't great. Got the regular handcuffs and then the one for like the split paw. Um, However, I would probably only use these to help out law enforcement. So there's not really much you will run into these out in the field as an actual locksmith. So you would have to be law enforcement and be able to prove it to me for me to even use those. But I got those three right there. Put them back there. And these, I believe, these are the Southward. No, these are the Southward jiggler set. I'm going to have to watch this video because if I don't like it, I'll probably never see the air. So, or see YouTube. But these are the auto jigglers, and I'm not really going to do much on auto, but I got these maybe to mess around. Actually, jiggler keys, if you're not careful, and oh, there was a glare big time off that. If you're not careful, you mess up your locks. They're only wafer locks anyway, vehicle locks, so you do have to be careful. Uh, this is the little mini gem from Sparrows. This also comes in the EOD full set, which I actually have that set floating around here somewhere. Um, I have the Sparrows um, bypass knife, the Sparrows knife for padlocks, and I guess I could have had a padlock out here to show you how this works, but like I said, I just wanted to put something up since it's been, I know, what, 2 months since I've done a video maybe. I have tried this on a couple padlocks and it works okay. Over here I have the Sparrows Ultra Decoder. You know, this for your combinations. And earlier this week, I actually did decode my first master lock, like the little key boxes like realtors use. I can't think of the model number right now. But, and unfortunately, I didn't have an opportunity to actually put it on video. It was actually my first attempt at even trying to decode a combination lock like that, and it took me 4 or 5 tries just, you know, to get the feel of everything. But I might buy one just so I could practice one. And of course, these are the Sparrows for your wafer locks, they're the jigglers for like your little, you know, desk locks and, you know, stuff like that. And I've even used these on the little lock boxes, you know, the little fire boxes. And let's see what we have here. Oh, and these are the Sparrows warded padlock bypass set. And I do believe that's all I have. This is a work in progress, but these should cover, like, I guess it would probably cover pretty good of your, you know, stuff, your cheaper locks or whatever you might encounter out in the field, you know, bypass wise. Oh yeah, these are I got a couple. These are the handcuff shims too. Heck, I put this together a while back. I actually forgot about these. And I have them in another set or something, but I do have the South Ord comb picks too. These are the 45s by Sparrows, and now that I think of it, I don't know where my comb picks are. That's kind of bugging me right now. Oh well, like I said, I put this together a while back. I actually haven't really used it since I made it. And what did I do with my comb picks? My comb pick, actually, I think they're in my tool kit. I have like one of the little Milwaukee pack out system. Maybe I'll show that one day. I'm not for sure. I might even show my little lab here, but kind of don't have much of, like I said, much of a space here, and it's pretty much set up in a spare bedroom. But who knows? If I get straightened up a little bit, I might in the future. And I'm just rambling now. But anyway, I just wanted to get a video out to you guys, let you know, yeah, I am still around. Just work's been a little crazy. It's kind of up and down this time of year where I work. And we expect to get busy probably right up till Christmas. Actually, we always get a big rush in there. And this is hard reaching over camera. A little tripod to get her set up. But that's my bypass kit so far. Like I said, just in a Sparrows Sherman case. And, you know, I'm no way endorsed or paid by any of the products that I ever show. It's just I use them. I like them. Like I said, sparrows. I have a lot of sparrow stuff. I have some southward stuff too. Yeah, you know, use different picks stuff. Anyway, I'm rambling again. Thank you all for watching this. Like I said, if it even makes it with all the shaking, and if it's not too washed out from the lighting, if it is, it just will never see YouTube. But thanks a lot. Subscribe if you don't mind. Hit the bell so you know when I post a new, and I will try to have some more stuff for you guys sometime in the near future. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next video.